Hi guys, it is actually nighttime. Ta-da! See how dark it is. I've never actually done a cleaning video at night for you guys, and I'm thinking that this has actually been done on YouTube, like a night clean with me or something like that. So I'm actually in the mood to clean and figured I would do a cleaning video for you guys. I did film a very in-depth deep clean video in the spring, and then that video that footage got lost. And I think the same thing is happening to some of my vlog clips. I think what's happening is when I'm importing the videos from either my phone or my camera onto my computer, I'm importing so many at a time that I'm just assuming that they've all made it over successfully, because then what I do is I go back on my camera or phone and just delete them and get rid of those files and don't check to make sure that they've actually successfully imported. I know, it's just amateur stuff there. But anyway, I digress. There is going to be a deep clean with me in the fall. I really want to get organized. Once I get her moved off to college, we're going to start to organize all of my holiday stuff in bins and where they're kind of located throughout the house. We're going to definitely restructure that upstairs. So if that's of any interest of you, click subscribe, stick around, and turn on your bell so that you know when I post my videos. And here's Loxy for you. Dun, 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 dun. And I am in my PJs. I'm still also fully decked in my makeup and have my jewelry that I was wearing with my outfit. I don't go around in my PJs like this. It's more vlog style, and we're gonna do some vacuuming, we're just gonna do some cleanup, we're gonna do the dishes, and if that is of any interest to you, we're also gonna clean my office. Then keep on watching. Let's go. I am going to let this water get hot so that I can wash these dishes and quickly unload the sink. Quickly unload the dishwasher. right, so the kitchen is nice and clean. I've cleaned all the countertops as you saw, got the dishes all put away. The only thing I'm not gonna do tonight is vacuum and mop. I'm not on that element. I've got a movie going on back there, and now we're gonna move to the living room. And now the living room is finished. Got it vacuumed. I probably need to dust over there. I always do this. I forget to dust first and then vacuum. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that dusted. All right, and now we're moving on to the dining room. The only thing we're gonna do here is vacuum. The table has already been dusted. That is Loxie's bed that stays there. And this equipment is out because tomorrow I have to take some thumbnail photos for 2 different Dollar Tree hauls. So this is gonna stay out because it's a to-do item for tomorrow. Once I get those pictures taken, we will get that moved out, but it won't be in this video. So I'm just gonna run the vacuum through here, and then that will be it for this room. And that completes this room. I tucked the bags over there on the chair so it's just not sitting out. And this is just my lighting that I need for the thumbnails. But otherwise, this room is finished. And next up is going to be my office. Loxie's hilarious. She's always where I'm gonna point the camera. Isn't that interesting? All right, so what I need to do in here is get a good vacuum, and I need to empty out the trash can over there, pick up my shoes, and gonna call it a day with this room. Alright, so that takes care of my office. I'm still doing a little bit of work while I'm in between the cleanings. I have a vlog that I need to start editing, a Dollar Tree haul I just uploaded that's going to be released for Monday's video, and then I'm working on Wednesday's Dollar Tree haul that I need to start editing. So the computers are going to stay up for a little bit, but that's basically it. Got it all nice and vacuumed. I know that's basically turning into a vacuum cleaning video, but Loxy sheds so much and it's just crucial to keep the floors clean of her hair. So that's pretty much it. That's all my office kind of needed for now. I recently dusted, so I don't really need to dust anything for this video, but that is it for this room. Alright, so my room is pretty much tidy besides this random sock here that has no pair. How does that happen? But I'm gonna be ready for bed. I'm gonna set up my humidifier over there, but my room has actually been getting very hot, and this room actually does really well with the AC and with the heater. So I've been trying to figure out why it's been getting so hot, and I remember now during the winter time it got way too hot in here with the heater, so I closed this vent and kept that one open. But for summertime, I think I need to keep both of these vents open. So I'm gonna go grab the ladder outside in the garage, and it's not part of cleaning, but it's part of this nighttime video, and get this room a little bit cooled down further. What I need a man for. Oh yeah. Oh, God bless. An AC unit. Whew. I don't know how people go without it. And that is it for tonight's nighttime cleaning video. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you loved this, if you need more of this consistently, and if so, how often, weekly, monthly. Let me know what you would like to see, because even though I do Dollar Tree haul videos Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, Fridays book reviews, there's Tuesday, Thursday, Sundays, so let me know what you'd like to see. Also, if you're a left-handed lefty, comment down below and let me know if you vacuum with your left hand, if you push the vacuum with your left hand, or if you actually do use your right hand for that. I was curious as I was pushing the vacuum around. I thought about left-handed people and wondering if they vacuum left-handed. So, it may seem like a dumb question, but not everything is done left-handedly. Like I drive with my left hand, but I'm right-handed, so. Anyway, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the nighttime. The quality is not going to be the best because I am using my iPhone for this and not my camera. So it's going to be a little bit more pixelated, and the audio also isn't the greatest. So I'm sorry if the audio wasn't quite there for you. That's it. Good night, and thank you for joining me. And I hope you guys got some motivation out of this. I'm going to go take off my makeup, throw up my hair, take off this bra and go read that book.